Benjamin Moore colors. I've been playing with them. They're a little thin, but I kind of like playing with the colors. This is called Purple Heart, and this is Purple Space. I thought it'd be fun to do a little split pillow bloom. This is a 10-incher. I'm just gonna make a diagonal situation. Now, I've moved rooms, but my paints are still thick and difficult, just so you know. But, you know, we go with the flow here. So, hopefully we will be okay, but I'm not sure. Okay, now let's just, and it doesn't have to be perfect. This stuff is gonna spin off anyways. Except I do want to fix this little part here in case we see it. And I'll use this side to do here. These lighter colors are a little thicker than the darker colors, which also makes it interesting because it spins at kind of different rates, but whatever. Let's get to work. This is TLP Lagoon. If it will come out of my cup. Ooh, I don't know. I might have to blow a little harder, but not too hard. But you know, we always have to adjust our blow depending on what type of paints we're using. This is Amsterdam Titanium Buff Light. Oops, just a little bit. Then I will do TLP Enchantment. Hopefully we look pretty. And then this is Matisse Australian Sky Blue. All right, and I'm gonna top it with Twinkle, which is a blue, kind of like a violet interference, which hopefully will look nice. And finally, we have Golden Phthalo Turquoise. I'm using my white Shelly Art Cell Activator, which is Australian Floetrol, and Amsterdam Titanium White, about 3-to-1. Okay, now, let's hope we can blow this out, right? I'm gonna blow a little harder. I really had to blow, and I don't even know if I got to the bottom. Okay. But let's see what happens. If we see any of the bottom colors, that would be awesome. I'm gonna take my skewer here, and you know how I do with my little squigglies. Just because I don't know what's gonna spin off, and I want to make better shapes for the edges of my petals. That will probably spin off, but whatever. And fix this part here. And we'll fix this part. And I hope she spins out nicely. All right, we're kind of off center, but let's take a look. I want to center it better this way. All right. Okay, sparkle looks good at least. That's the most important part for me. You'll be able to see better when I bring you to the better light. So, you know, just keep in mind, if your paints aren't behaving, it's okay to adjust, keep adjusting your consistencies, to adjust your blow. You have to keep adjusting your method because the same thing doesn't work every time, which I'm sure you've seen. Okay, I mean, I don't hate her, do I? One more little spin, and I'll bring you over to the light. She was quick and easy. Luckily my paints didn't super disappoint me. I want this edge a little bit more off. All right, so let's go to the light. I think I'll look at it this way. Do I like it this way? Do I like it this way? No, she wants to be this way a little bit. All right, there she is. Let's go to the light. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video, and let me know what you think. Bye.